G'day guys, got a bike check here. So, stock mission grips, front load stand with a half link chain, gold with a, what's it called? Cover the sprocket, excuse me. On the front we have a Maxis Grifter 20 by 2.3. I've got some stolen Byrons. Shit, I can't remember the sprocket. Anyway, I've changed the pedals. They're off my Triad drift trike. What's coming is, I've got the rear Maxis Grifter right there. Pretty nice stroke pattern if you haven't seen a grifter. That's my bike. I come with front brakes, so I just pierce them off straight away. I'm getting a new Mission, I think React rear wheel, hub, everything, spokes. And then I'll put my grifter on the rear. Of course, gotta have that sticker on there. And shout out to LZ Mariners right there. But yeah, it's a Kink 2015 launch frame, a Mission integrated headset, Mission forks, Mission front and rear wheels, Mission seat, see it there, not a very comfy seat, and I've got some brake pads coming, a bit dirty today because I went to some dirt jumps, and yeah, that's my bike for you. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to be doing a lot more BMX videos in the future, so I'll talk to you then. See you fellas.